Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of explosion. A destructive and violent shattering of or blowing away of something, such as caused by a bomb. For example, we held hands until a sudden explosion beneath us caused the hotel to rock violently. American pronunciation. Explosion. Explosion. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Explosion. Say. Explosion. Explosion means act of exploding. Explosion. Explosion. Explosion origin. Mid-16th century, from Latin explosion, driving of an act off the stage, from the verb exploder, see explode. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The explosions occurred just minutes apart. Now, repeat after me. The explosions occurred just minutes apart. The second practice. In the northern province, a bomb explosion damaged an oil pipeline. Now, repeat after me. In the northern province, a bomb explosion damaged an oil pipeline. Visual representation of explosion. Explosion means a destructive and violent shattering of or blowing away of something, such as caused by a bomb.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.